Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the Fidelity Active Trader Pro app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the Fidelity Active Trader Pro app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search this on your search bar. Make sure to enter this correctly and exactly as what I will enter, since if you make a slight mistake, you won't be directed to the downloading website. I know this search is kinda long, but this search will automatically direct you to the downloading page of the app. So make sure to enter this correctly. And once you're sure that you entered this correctly, just click your enter key to search it. And then you will now be on the website. So to download the app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look, you will now be able to see the download button right here. Just go and click it. And then just select a download version depending on your device. In my case, I'm using a Windows laptop, so this is what I will select. And after selecting, the app will now start downloading. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then click the install button once again. And then the app will now start installing. Just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your Fidelity Active Trader app installed on your PC or laptop. So just log in or create your account and then you will be able to use it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.